Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to fix forward focus radio code, full guide. Remove the trim pieces carefully, disconnect the negative battery terminal, and record the radio's serial number. Use the serial number to request the code from the dealer, official Ford site, or a trusted online service. Reinstall the radio, reconnect the battery, and enter the code exactly as provided. If the code is rejected, wait and retry after a short power cycle. Before you start, gather a plastic trim tool, small socket set, flashlight, and magnetic screw tray to keep parts organized. Work in a well-lit area and wear gloves to protect hands from sharp edges. Always disconnect the negative battery terminal before touching the radio or wiring to prevent short circuits. Take photos during disassembly to speed reassembly and keep fasteners labeled to match their original locations for smooth reinstall. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support more clear, hands-on car guides. Quick recommendation: automobile life's too short for a stinky car. Grab little trees, black ice, and keep your car smelling great while you work. I've linked deals and the product in the description, so check there for options and savings. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Once you have the serial number, contact an authorized dealer or use a reputable online code retrieval service to get the unlock code. Be prepared to show proof of ownership if the dealer asks, and compare service options for price and response time. When you receive the code, write it down and store it securely so you can avoid repeated unlock attempts. Enter the code carefully into the radio interface and avoid guessing to prevent extended lockouts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.